Hello researchers, we will create a project on the PyCharm and configure it. As we have already installed the PyCharm. This is our welcome screen, and on the right top you can create a new project, and on the left side there are menu of different templates. We can create project on Bootstrap, HTML, LaTeX, Node.js, React, and so on. There is an option you can see that LaTeX, but it is not available to you right now because you don't have the extension. So first of all, we will install the extension. I am cancelling it from here, and I come back to the welcome screen. Here are the options on the left side, plugins. In the plugin section, there is a search bar, and on the search bar, I will type Taxify, and you can see that it is already installed. When I check it, it will going to the installation process, and it will install. And I have already installed, so it is already ticked. When you have installed this Taxify option, you can create a new project, and on the basis of LaTeX template. Then I will click on the project again, go to the new project. Now you will have the option of LaTeX. Now we will define the project location. I am going to create this project on the location of E drive, then project directory, and then my project name is publication, and then I will create this project. Now let's go through the case study. I have one research paper and I want to send it to two different journals. For this, I will right click on the publication, new directory. Suppose we have Springer and one more, Science Direct. All right. In these directories, we will create two files, LaTeX file, and for my understanding, I will name it the same as my journal name, like Science Direct, and I will select the first option because I am going to create the LaTeX file. Okay, and press enter. This is my LaTeX file. And same for the bibliography file. I will create new LaTeX file and same name, Science Direct. But this time I will click on bibliography, then press enter, and it will create the bibliography file as well. Now we have the directory Science Direct, and in this directory we have two files, sciencedirect.tex and sciencedirect.bib. In the bibliography, there will be the references or the citations, and in the LaTeX text file, a TEX file, it means it is a LaTeX file. We will write our research draft. The same goes for the Springer, LaTeX Springer and new LaTeX Springer and bibliography, and this is done. Now let's move to the next to configure it. On the top there is an option, you will see current file. Click on it and edit configuration. First we will configure the Science Direct draft plus LaTeX, and that's it. It is you can see that it is unnamed. The same convention I will use and my text package is needed. I will say that yes, and this is unnamed. I will name it as the same convention I am using previously. This is for Science Direct. Compiler, I will use the PDF LaTeX. Select custom path to smarter PDF. Yes, click it and browse the path. My installation is on the C, and here is smarter PDF. Okay, and the PDF viewer I am using Smartra. There is an option LaTeX code to run. There is an option main file to compile, and we have the main file to compile is sciencedirect.tex. Browse publication sciencedirect sciencedirect.tex. This is the my file. All right, and directory for auxiliary file. I will explain it later, but you have to write it like that. Okay, it means that auxiliary file will be created in the Science Direct directory, and if we have the number of other projects, then their auxiliary file will be created on in that project directory. The same goes for the output file, like that. In the output file, auxiliary files are the configuration file the system using, and the output file is for us, that the PDF created by our this PyCharm. Okay, and this is done. Apply. Now we will configure the bibtext. The same goes for the name. Science Direct. Compiler will be bibtext, and main file that include bibliography, we know that sciencedirect.text, and the working directory for bibtext Science Direct. This is the working directory. It means that the working directory mean where our LaTeX file and the bibliography file is located. After apply, go back to the LaTeX and then click Science Direct again. Here there is an option extension plus and Science Direct. Okay, apply. That's it. We have configured our PyCharm, and now we can run. And there is an error because we didn't write on the our draft. So I am just creating a heading section and Science Direct. Now I will run again, and this is our draft. Now we will configure the Springer. Click on Edit Configuration and click on LaTeX plus LaTeX. The name will be the same as the project name, Springer. Here we will locate it, Smarta PDF, where we have installed it. I have on the C directory and on the root. You may have different location. Okay, PDF viewer will be Smartra, and main file to compile. We know that the main file is springer.txt, and directory for auxiliary file. This is Springer in Springer, and then auxiliary folder. The same for the output file. Springer and out. Apply. Then I will go to the bibtext plus BibTeX. Here the same name, you can change the name. Compiler will be the BibTeX. Main file to include bibliography is springer.tex and the working directory is Springer folder. That's it. Apply. Now go back to the Springer, and here we have to add the extension of that BibTeX plus BibTeX of, now we will add Springer because it is this BibTeX is for the Springer project. Okay, apply and okay, and double click on this springer.tex, and here I will add the section, and this is for the Springer, and I am running this Springer file, and that's it. Now I want also to run the ScienceDirect file. Just click on this and select the ScienceDirect. Okay, and then I will run it. Now you can see that there are two files. Sorry, this is home. There are two windows, Springer windows.pdf and ScienceDirect windows.pdf. I am extended it, so you can you have one research paper and you can add into two different templates. In the next videos we will embed these template and see how it works, but this is a configuration how we can configure the LaTeX on the PyCharm. Okay, one more thing to explain it. You can see that there are Springer folder, and this is the auxiliary file created and output file created, same for the ScienceDirect directory. Now how can we access these files? Right click on the folder, open it, Explorer. This is the ScienceDirect folder, and in the output folder you will have the ScienceDirect.pdf file. This is your final output created. The same goes for the same goes for the Springer. This is for the Springer, sorry, and this is for the ScienceDirect, and that's it. Thank you very much, and we will meet in the next video to configure the templates. Goodbye.